Three-digit subtraction, practice 3. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice three-digit subtraction. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Let's begin by copying this problem. 700 minus 168. Please copy this problem, as we'll answer it together. Remember, if you have difficulty lining up your numbers, you may draw lines to help line up the numbers in each place value. We'll begin with 0 minus 8. 8 is the bigger number, so we'll circle it on the bottom. Big bottom borrow. It means we have to regroup. That 0 becomes a 10, but we can't borrow from the middle 0, so that 0 has to become a 10, and we'll take from the 7. The 7 becomes a 6. The middle 0, we cross off the 10, it becomes a 9, because the first 0 needs to borrow from it. So now we can subtract. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next, with 9 and 6, we'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Finally, we'll circle the 6, touch and count. 6, 5. Our answer is 532. Well done. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you a series of 2 problems. I'd like you to copy these down. 382 minus 199 and 586 minus 438. I'm going to give you a few moments now to answer these problems on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these problems together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy what you're missing, or pause the video to give yourself more time. We'll begin with 2 minus 9. We'll circle the 9. The 9 is the bigger number. It's on the bottom, so we have to borrow. The 2 becomes a 12. We cross off the 8. It becomes a 7. 12 minus 9, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, with 7 minus 9, we'll circle the 9. Again, it's on the bottom, so we need to borrow. The 7 becomes a 17. The 3 becomes a 2. Let's touch and count. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Finally, we'll circle the 2. Touch and count. 2, 1. Our answer is 183. In the next problem, we'll begin with 6 minus 8. We'll circle the 8 because it's the biggest number. It's on the bottom, so we have to borrow and regroup. The 6 becomes a 16. The 8 becomes a 7. Now we touch and count. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Next, with 7 minus 3, we'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6, 5, 4. Finally, we'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our answer is 148. Well done. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you another set of problems. Please copy these down. 634 minus 262 and 905 minus 716. I'd like you to spend the next few moments answering these problems on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these problems together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy what you're missing, or pause the video to give yourself more time. We'll begin with 4 minus 2. We'll circle the 4, touch and count. 4, 3, 2. Next, with 3 minus 6, we'll circle the 6, which is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. The 3 becomes a 13, cross off the 6, and that becomes a 5. We'll touch and count backward. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Finally, we'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 4, 3. Our answer is 372. In the next problem, with 5 minus 6, we'll circle the 6. The 6 on the bottom tells us we have to borrow. When we regroup, this 5 becomes a 15, but we can't borrow from the 0, so that 0 becomes a 10. We'll cross off the 9 becomes a 8. We'll cross off the 10, it becomes a 9. So we'll touch and count. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Next, we'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8. Finally, we'll circle the 8, touch and count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our answer is 189. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we practiced 3-digit subtraction. Thank you for following along.